Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, what's up? My name is Sanawla and today I am going to teach you dependent class, the second type of class. But before that, I believe so you remember in previous video I taught you independent class, the first kind of class, and now we are going to start the second kind of class, means dependent class. So let's define what is dependent class. A kind of a class which has both subject and finite verb, which can never give complete and clear sense, is known by the name of dependent class. Now, dependent class cannot give clear and complete sense. Dependent class delivers half message or half sense. It makes the listeners or the readers wait. It is just incomplete. It needs something else to give clear and complete sense. It is dependent on the independent class to give clear and complete sense. And here we have some examples. Now let's understand them. Why it does not give clear and complete sense? No, so now here is the first example. As she delivers the speech. Remember, now here we are having a complete class which we call the dependent class. But actually in English language we don't have dependent classes. We have independent class. She delivers the speech. Full stop. Gives clear and complete meaning. Here it does not need anything else to deliver the complete sense. But as we connect subordinating conjunction with the independent class, then independent class is inverted into dependent class. Then it will be a dependent class, such as here it is, as she delivers the speech. So what happens? Now it is not mentioned. When we connect subordinating conjunction with the independent class, then just this one is made a dependent class, or you can say it is made a subordinate class, because now it does not give clear and complete sense. Now it needs something else to be completed. And that something else is called the independent class. Independent class will now make this one as well complete. Such as here we have, now this example, in this we are having subordinating conjunction. Then our completely independent class means here it gives complete meaning, but as we have connected now subordinating conjunction with it, so now it does not give clear and complete sense. Now it needs something else to be completed. And that would be independent class. As she delivers the speech, she will leave the stage. Remember, in this case, when you have two classes, dependent class in the starting and independent class in the end, then you have to put comma between the two classes to isolate the independent class from the dependent class. Like as she delivers the speech, then comma, then she will leave the stage, then full stop in the end, and this is completed. Now it gives clear and complete sense. What she will do after the delivering of speech? She will leave the stage. Now it is completed, and now it does not need anything else to be mature or to give clear and complete sense. And after that we are having another example. Once again, when we were together, and full stop. When we were together, what? It is not mentioned. What happened? Not mentioned. What we had? Not mentioned. What we were? Not mentioned. Remember, dependent class. We call it dependent class because it gives half sense, such as here, when we were together. It is now not mentioned what we were doing, what we were, what we had, just when we were together. So that's why we call it dependent. It is now dependent on the other class, on the other independent class. Now let's put independent class with it. When we were together, we were happy. Then full stop. Remember, dependent clause in the starting, then comma, then independent, and full stop. Here it goes. So this is now completed. Now it gives clear and complete sense. When we were together, we were happy. What was our state, or what we were doing? We were happy. And now there is another situation in which we don't put the comma. That is, now let me write that. That is when you put your independent clause in the very starting, such as here we have example. Yeah, this is a good place to write. The monster appeared. Then it does not need anything else. As I entered home. Full stop. Now remember, in this case we don't put comma because now subordinating clause or subordinate clause is in the end. We will mark it by this one. Yes. As home, then this is our independent clause. Remember, when independent clause is in the starting and dependent clause is in the end, then we don't put comma because subordinating conjunction works to link two clauses, the dependent and independent, and now it does not require anything else to be isolated or to be connected. Here it is now completely correct, and you are not to put comma. So this is now the independent clause and then dependent clause. In this situation we don't put comma. And now let's write the subordinating conjunctions, which are these. When, where, wherever, as soon as long as, if, although, here is one L, although, on and so on. So these are the subordinating conjunctions. When subordinating conjunction come in the starting of your class, like here we have when, here we have as, there we have as, once again. These are the words when these come in the starting of your class, it makes the class dependent on the other class, on the next or on the second type of class, means on the independent class. And here we have put the subordinating conjunction in the mid. Now in this situation, the second one is subordinate class or dependent class, and the first one is independent class. So this is a dependent class. And in next video, I will define kinds of the dependent class. So we will meet next time. Till that time, take care, stay positive, keep smiling by the way. So bye bye for now.